Pelvic floor trainers, often called Kegel trainers, are marketed as devices that strengthen your pelvic muscles, improve bladder control, and even enhance sexual performance. But the real question is, do they actually work, or are they just overhyped gadgets? What the science actually supports. Kegel exercises do work. This is the key point. Strengthening pelvic floor muscles through Kegels can help with bladder control, postpartum recovery, sexual function. They're often considered a gold standard for pelvic health. Improve consistency. Apps, reminders, or structured programs help people stick to a routine, which is critical for results. Can speed up learning. Biofeedback trainers, like app-connected ones, help you understand what a correct contraction feels like faster, where the hype goes too far. The device itself isn't magic. The results come from doing the exercises consistently, not from the device alone. Results take time, even with proper training. Early improvements for 6 weeks. Significant changes up to several months. So claims like instant tightening are misleading. Not for everyone. If your pelvic floor is too tight, not weak, painful, or dysfunctional, using trainers can actually make things worse without guidance. So, do pelvic floor trainers actually work? Short answer, yes, but only as a tool, not a solution. You can improve pelvic strength, but only if you use it properly and consistently. The device just makes the process easier, not automatic. Bottom line, pelvic floor trainers are not a scam, but often overhyped. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for